Is this controversial amongst other dentists or other your friends?
Yes, you'll get some controversy with it.
And you're a holistic guy. Is that right?
I
mean, you eat like
I try to eat
70%
of everything I eat is raw, and I'm on a very active exercise routine, and I try to practice those same conservative principles in the mouth. You know, I said before that porcelain is the most attractive restoration in the mouth. It really is. It can be very attractive. But there are hybrid porcelains now that
That's
are not,
what you're using.
Yes, that are not abrasive and that are still very attractive in the mouth, and yet they don't wear the opposing tooth.
Okay.
And they're more flexible, like the natural flexibility of the tooth.
So this flex that you say, this shock absorber, by putting this different kind of a crown on that you're doing,
yes,
that you make
yes,
in one visit,
that's right.
It keeps that flex, which ultimately, in your opinion, it keep your teeth around longer.
Exactly. It adds to the length and the longevity of the tooth. And you know, by the way, let's talk about the tooth. You know, you've all seen the Spider-Man movie.
Yeah.
And his outfit shows all these little webs going across his body. That's the way the lymphatic system is in our physical bodies.
Okay.
The lymphatic system is like a trash collector. It takes the toxins and eliminates them out of the body. Well, the tooth has its own lymphatic system. As the arterial blood enters the tooth, it carries with it a liquid that's a lymphatic type liquid, and it flows through those hollow tubules, because really if you take a tooth and cut it down and look at it under a high-powered microscope, it's nothing but a series of hollow tubes. And
really?
So it's constantly being lubricated by this lymphatic fluid that flows through the tooth. And so when you take and put these large, huge restorations
crowns,
it's like putting a dam across the river.
When you say restorations, so I understand, we're talking about crowns?
Yes.
So when you put a large crown, you damage
the
flow.
You damage a lot of that flow through the tooth because you're removing so much of the tooth structure. And that's what keeps the tooth pliable and flexible. The whole body is flexible. When you're chewing on food, you're not chewing on a piece of steel. You're chewing on something that's a living organism, and so is the tooth.